Nee man, dit was puik geweest. Dit was bagger.
It was freaky. And I was scared and I had my exercise for the whole week in the gym because I'm so stiff now doing this. But it was nice.
Very, very nice.
Okay. The best. That was even better.
Maybe you won't survive. Beautiful. It was a very great experience. I really enjoyed it. Thanks.
First of all, I asked the guy if he'd ever been on a roller coaster in Disney World, and he said no. I said, well, he can do his best, and then we'll get close to it. And he really, really took off, and it was fantastic. And these guys get paid for doing this. I'm going to put my name forward to do this sort of thing all the time, but they are really, really brilliant drivers. It was fantastic. I just loved it.
This was lekker.
Spino.
You.
Yeah, it was nice. Yeah, I could feel the adrenaline going to the top and the shakes. It was quite good. It was quite good.
Brilliant, wow, hell of an experience, really, really fun.
Oh, that was crazy. That was crazy.